keep away from a run around Sue, yeah. My miss her lips and a smile on her face, the touch of her hand and this girl's warm embrace. So if you don't wanna cry like I do, I keep away from a run around Sue. Whoa.